Munange Abba Marcus yatuuse dda mu ddwaliro alina mu kuyambako taata we kubanga afuna ku bujjanjabi n'okujjuza documents ezimu eziba zeetaagisa records mu ddwaliro era nga njagala mukulage naye nga mukwano nkujukiza nti this is Patricia's latest. Make sure that you subscribe, like and share. Tap the notification bell obeere nga tofuna notifications buli lwe nkuterayo ekipya ku eno channel. Katulabe Abba ate ne taata we. Yate kano mwakalaba nga Uncle Weasel amusomesa okutabula music okola beats engeri gye bamakinga music nagamba this boy is smart era nga bamayanja we bali so kati obalabe.
That's nice work. Hey, so talented. I prefer this Bushoke's part. You put it this side. Bushoke's part? Yeah. But no, leave it there. Yo. It's Weasel Manizo alongside Abba. You know I'm doing music with my son. Imagine. He's too talented. Where to go, Abba? I'm not going to go. Yeah. No, life is beautiful. Somebody's kissing right now. Somebody's beautiful. I love it. Look at themselves. I love you. Thank you for loving yourselves. Happy New Year. Let me proceed with my freestyle. Somebody is in love tonight with me, brother. Let me introduce Bushoke tonight. Yo,
somebody gonna make love tonight. We're here in Boston.
Yeah, man, everything is alright. America is alright. Yo, big up to my Brijans and Rastafarians. So
yo, say hi to Uncle P.
Uncle P.
We love you, Uncle P.
Link up
East Africa loves you, Uncle P.
Try some man, the nigga.
Era nnyongera okubajjukiza nti ebintu bya famire munayo yogeranga bitono era oteekangayo kitono naye nga Abba Marcus webale kubanga ate ofaayo ku kitaawo naye nga mukwano nkujjukiza nti weerabira kubanga ate osubscribing olikinga gwatanaba tapping a notification bell obire nga ate ofuna notifications bwe nteekayo ekipya ku Patricia's latest. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.